Morning from a sunny, chilly Vaal River. ZAVPU 445525, bred for stock. We imported recently the Whiteman family into South Africa. The owner of the Whitemans, Renee Vervoort, is a very small loft, doesn't have thousands of commercial breeding pigeons. So the quality of the Whitemans, in my opinion, is very, very high. The farthest father here is a Goed Gryskok that we bought, and is already a proven breeder for us at Sapper Summer Race, 8th in one of the hot spots, 43rd on the final. The double grandmother here is the direct daughter of the foundation hen of the Whiteman family. The grandfather here is a full brother to 4th National Ace KBDB Speed in Belgium. Very well balanced. It's a cock. Fantastic wings, these pigeons. They have length that I've never seen on many speed pigeons before. Of all the speed families we have, and we have bought them all, this line has got the longest wings, and I believe they're going to go the furthest on the distance. Very well covering on the back. They have very, very, very short forearms. They have magnificently louvered wings. They have a lot of vitality, vibrance in the wings. Beautiful, beautiful pigeons. And they have the most beautiful violet eyes. Thank you.